This is perhaps the most frequently repeated myth, and that's why many people still believe it. Movies, books, and motivational speeches often claim that if we used 100% of our brain, we could gain supernatural powers. But neuroscience says this is completely false. Our brain is active every moment, even when you're doing nothing. MRI scans and brain imaging have proven that almost every part of the brain is engaged in some kind of activity. This myth likely originated from the misconception that if someone isn't a genius, they must not be using their full brain capacity. But the truth is, we all use nearly every part of our brain, just at different times. Believing in this myth is not only incorrect, but also distorts our understanding of our true cognitive potential. Ninth myth: 90% of body heat is lost through the head. You may have heard that you must wear a hat in winter because 90% of your body heat escapes through your head. But in reality, this myth originated from a military survival manual that was promoted in the 1970s based on flawed research. The truth is, heat escapes from every part of the body. And if you cover your body with clothes but leave your head exposed, obviously more heat will escape from the head. But this is due to how you're dressed, not because of any biological principle. Body heat escapes more or less evenly from all exposed areas. Believing in this myth is the result of a lack of scientific understanding. And yes, wearing a hat is important, but not because your whole body loses heat just from the head. Eighth myth: hair and nails keep growing after death. This myth is a little creepy. Many people think that hair and nails continue to grow after a person dies. Horror movies and spooky anecdotes have made this image even stronger. But the truth is, when a person dies, their body begins to lose moisture, causing the skin to shrink. Because of this shrinking effect, the hair and nails appear longer. In reality, they don't grow. The surrounding skin just pulls back. This myth arises from not understanding the biological reality of death properly, and it shows how visual illusions can influence what we believe. Seventh myth: food is safe if picked up within 5 seconds. 5-second rule. Have you ever said, "It's still within 5 seconds," after dropping food? That's the famous 5-second rule, but science laughs at it. Bacteria and viruses don't wait for a countdown. They latch onto food instantly. As soon as something hits the ground, microbes begin sticking to it, whether it's for 1 second or 10. A study from Rutgers University found that bacteria attach to food almost instantly, especially if the food is moist. So next time someone tells you, "It's fine if you pick it up within 5 seconds," you can confidently tell them that bacteria don't wear watches. Sixth myth: sugar makes kids hyperactive. This is a myth parents have believed for generations. At any birthday party, if a child becomes too energetic, the blame falls on cake and candy. But research shows there's no direct link between sugar and hyperactivity. This perception is often the result of the placebo effect. When parents believe sugar causes hyperactivity, they start interpreting every behavior that way. Several controlled experiments have shown that whether kids are given sugar or not, there's no significant change in their behavior. The only change is in the parents' expectations. 5. Myth: pure blood is blue in color. You've probably seen blue veins in biology textbooks and assumed that blood inside the body is blue, and it only turns red when exposed to air. But the truth is, blood is never blue. Our veins appear blue because of how light scatters as it passes through the skin, creating an optical illusion. In reality, blood is always red. Bright red when it's rich in oxygen, and dark red when it has less oxygen. This myth spread due to this visual illusion and was reinforced by incorrect color representations in textbooks. Fourth myth: sweat removes toxins from the body. Detox treatments, sauna therapy, and many skincare products claim that sweat helps eliminate toxins. But the scientific truth is that sweating is primarily the body's way to regulate temperature, not a detoxification process. Our liver and kidneys are the organs responsible for processing and removing toxins from the body, not the pores in your skin. Yes, sweat releases salt and water, but its role in removing harmful toxins is negligible. The idea of sweating out toxins is a marketing illusion, not science. Third myth: you must drink 8 glasses of water every day. Drink 8 glasses of water a day. You've probably heard this health advice everywhere. But did you know that this guideline went viral without any solid scientific backing? According to institutions like Harvard and the Mayo Clinic, your water needs depend on your body, climate, activity level, and diet. You can also get a significant amount of water from food. As long as your urine is light yellow and your thirst is quenched, you're doing fine. Forcing yourself to drink 8 glasses daily can sometimes backfire, causing electrolyte imbalances. Water is essential, but only as much as your body actually needs, not blindly. Second myth: shaving makes hair thicker and denser. Many people believe that shaving causes hair to grow back thicker, darker, and denser. This myth is so common that most teenagers hear it when they start shaving. But the truth is, shaving only cuts the hair at the surface. It doesn't affect the root or follicle. Shaved hair feels thicker because the edge is blunt, while natural hair is tapered. Hair thickness, growth rate, and density are determined by genetics and hormones, not by shaving. First myth: certain foods or supplements can boost immunity. Today, the market for immunity boosters is huge, especially after the pandemic. But can any food or drink truly boost your immunity? The immune system isn't a light switch that you can simply turn on. It's a complex biological system that requires balance, not overactivation. No single fruit or pill can make your body virus-proof. Yes, proper nutrition, sleep, hydration, and stress management support your immune system. But expecting miraculous results from one product is pure myth. Immunity is a system, not a reaction. These myths don't just stem from a lack of information. They're rooted in the psychology that finds comfort in simple explanations. The human body is incredibly complex, and many of us try to oversimplify it. That's why myths go viral and science takes a back seat. But if we truly want to understand the truth about our bodies, our health, we need to stay curious and ask questions. And most importantly, we need to re-examine every belief we've accepted without questioning. If this video changed the way you think, give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button, plus the bell icon, so you're the first to know when we bust more crazy myths.